Okay, so came over here this morning. I just happened to see this place off the freeway. You can actually like smell it. Let's go see what they got going on. We're gonna grab some barbecue to go. Now, just down the road over the freeway is the most tasty barbecue food truck right here off the I-5. So we said, hey guys, can you make us a bite to eat for the next part of our trip? And they said, absolutely. Check out this place. This is an absolute must if you're traveling north or south on the I-5. What a great crew. Thank you so much, Willamette Valley Smokehouse. That barbecue was off the hook. That is bomb. Did you guys get the garlic on it?